automation. And this is a free template I'm giving away today. And you can basically build and automate one-click videos. All right, so if we go back now, I'm going to go through the list as well. So this is creating a video task. So we send it a post, URL, authentication, generic Kia, and then inside here, I've just put my API key live on the live stream. I'm gonna have to delete that in a second. And then you can see, for example, here you've got the JSON, right? So if we open this up full screen, this is what the JSON looks like. So we're using model to text to video input, JSON user prompt, aspect ratio, landscape, and the quality equals HD. All right. Now, if you put that as standard, then it will just reduce the quality of the video slightly. So it depends if you want like really good quality or not. You're going to extract the data task, right? And this is just a task ID, which you'll use later inside the get node, right? So you're going to grab the task ID from this particular section. And then inside here, you're going to wait 10 seconds. All right. So you wait, you wait 60 seconds. You can always increase that. So if it takes longer, you can change that to 3 minutes or whatever. And that's going to take the HTTP request and just get it, right? So once the video is actually completed, it's going to extract from Kia the URL. So this is like you send the request to Kia and then you wait a few minutes and then you take the request back, right? Now from here, you've also got the task ID at the end. And the task ID here is basically extracting that one, right? So it knows which task you're talking about. Now you see on the right-hand side, you've got the code, the message, the data, etc. Inside this, you can see that we've used text to video, state is success. Bear in mind, sometimes that does fail, so just be wary of that, especially when the API's just come out and, it's all crazy and everyone's using it. And then you can see the video extracted right here, okay? So you've got the video URL here. But the problem with that is that video URL, you need to extract it, you need to put into a normal URL, right? So we're going to map that out with a code. And we're using this JSON here. So this is JSON code. And that basically takes the Sora URL over here and then extracts it into a video URL over here. Okay. All right. So on this section, we've got the video URL, which is from Kia over here. All right. And then we get it. And this just basically transforms that raw URL into something we can actually view inside n8n. And then you can see we've got the file as a response format and video to put the output in the field, right? Otherwise, you won't be able to view the video and you have to like copy and paste that into your browser, which you can do if you want. But it's just, it's not ideal, right? It's not ideal. So let's play this back now.
Yes, it's a perfect day. Blouse. Yes, it's a perfect day. Just like applying a blouse, but cold. As a speed.